Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, good day, sir, ma'am. I want to introduce myself. My name is Waida Husin from Zamboanga, Philippines. I'm 45 years old and I have 5 brothers, 6 sisters, and I'm number 9
In the family.
in the family.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. I
Where?
worked before Jordan
How long did you work in Jordan?
from 2012 to 2014.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibility?
All around. I take care of the kids. I cook. I wash the clothes. Ironing, cleaning the house.
Okay, so how many are there in the family?
There are 7 in the family.
Okay, how about in Oman? How long did you work in Oman?
Yes, I work in Oman for 10 years.
10 years. So what are
Yes.
your duties and responsibility?
All around also.
All around. So only one helper?
Yes,
Okay, so how many members of the house?
there are 6 members in
6
the house.
members in the
Yes.
house. So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn and children.
Newborn and children.
Yes.
So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share work with share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to work with another helper?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
No,
Why?
because I'm a Muslim.
You're Islam, right? So do you
Yes.
have tattoo?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have vision problems?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, this is my big opportunity because Hong Kong is a high salary comparing to the other country, and Hong Kong is a nice country.
Okay,
Thank you.
you.